Hey, what's up guys? Just want to take a quick second and do a little video kind of giving an explanation and just our opinion on our experience with this Raypak propane pool heater. We bought it last year because our other heater, after a few years, already took a crap on us and it just sucked. A lot of times I'd have to like turn the pool heater on early in the morning and it would maybe be warm by the evening. But this thing is an absolute gem. It works so much better. It's very well built. It's very easy to use, very straightforward. It's not confusing or anything like that. And it just works really well. So if you guys are looking for a new pool heater or you're having a pool built and you want a pool heater, I would definitely recommend getting a Raypak. These things are absolute gold. We're definitely happy with our purchase. We have another family friend that is building a house and they were asking us about what pool heater they suggest. They asked us what we suggest they get, is what I meant to say. And we didn't even hesitate to say this Raypak because we are so happy with our purchase and we love it. So if you guys are looking for a pool heater, I wouldn't look any further. I looked into quite a bit. I did a lot of research and every bit of research led me back to one of these, and we're just very happy with it. So if you guys are looking for a pool heater or a jacuzzi heater or whatever, yeah, I would definitely get a Raypak.
Wherever I go, wherever I see, I remember you. If you remember